Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. In previous video, I have shown you how to make a navbar using Bootstrap. Now in this video, I am going to show you how to make accordion using Bootstrap. See, when I click, it will show the answer. Here you can write your question or the title, and it will show the answer and description about that title or question. You can have seen in Google, there is a question down, and when you click on the question, it will show the explanation about that. So like that, here the different type of accordion are present in this Bootstrap. You can scroll down and see how it's working. So I will copy this accordion. Here you can see it. This is this accordion. I will copy it. After copying it, I will go to my VS Code. Before I have shown you how to make Bootstrap navbar, so I am going to delete this. Now I have pasted my accordion, and before that I have shown you, here I have pasted my CSS, and here I paste my JS for the Bootstrap. When I go with, see, here I have to change the title accordion. See, here is our accordion. Here you can write your question also. See, like that. What is Bootstrap? When I save it, here is the question. See, what is Bootstrap? Here down you can write the answer, that boot Bootstrap is a CSS and JS framework designed for making app websites easily. So see here, Bootstrap is a CSS framework and JS framework for designing. See, like that you can write your questions and you can read the answer of the question. So like that you can write your own word and own question. So this how we make accordion in Bootstrap. So hope you guys like the video. Subscribe the channel. Don't forget to share. We meet in next video. Thanks for watching.